Sorry, guys. Let's see where we're at. 3.5 by 4.5 for HDVY. Holding that line. Just stay above 70. That's what we want. 7 cents. You see she's right here trying to battle the resistance right now. You see that was resistance, and here's support. We want her to stay above here. We'd like for her to push up close to the end of the day, closer to 8. We'll see if that happens. AXA, see, she's right here at support once again. I don't fear it. I believe there's going to be an upward push at the end of the close. I really hope we get our financials after the close today for the weekend read, but I'm pretty sure. You know, the financials are going to be worth it. Just gotta wait it out. All right, guys. Let's see. I am waiting for something entertaining to happen, and you know, nothing entertaining's happening. All right, so it's 3:33, 27 minutes before the market closes, and let's see. Let's see. I am watching these 735 prints right now. See, they printed 20,000. Citadel is hiding there. They definitely have more than 20,000, like 735, 735, 735. Okay, so 334, 735. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let me see where she closed over here. On the 60-minute, 7.5. On the 10-minute, I want to take a look at this picture. Okay, 7.35 off. See now, sevens. Don't want her to break under sevens. Trade up. All right, that's the whole goal, to trade up. Another 25 minutes left before the market closes. See if we see action on these guys, among others. Just looking to see if there's any action. No action right now. So we're watching these two. Oh, don't forget, it's now I know why it's lackluster. I'm such a putz. It's like a Sabbath for Jewish people, like Passover, days off. You know, it's like a Sabbath for them. So there's also more volatility in the markets today than usual. Yeah, but I still think we're going to get some volume on our end. HDVY printing 7.3s, AXA 152 by 1.6, 3:36 in the afternoon. 24 minutes left before the market closes. Just trying to see if there's anything else going on with other plays. Yeah, it's very, very quiet right now. Let's take a look. It's a silent period right here. Let's take a look at Green Zebra. Green Zebra, you are forming a bottom. Look, same amount. You guys are joking. You are forming a bottom. The only thing I'm worried is they're uplisting, but how are they uplisting? I just really hope it's not reverse, but other than that, everything looks awesome here. You see 8.5s. Okay, nothing needs to be done with her. AXA 1-2 by 1-6, 154 last print. Still quiet. Okay. And 735s are being printed right here. You can see that 7 by 735s. Like to see up move right now. See, they're holding her down right now, but we want her to stay above 7. That's all we want. Just stay above 7. Give us that fight, and we'll be okay. All right, so there's 3.1 million shares traded, a little over 3.1. And you know, there's 175,000 at the ask to move 735.75 out of the way. Not even less than that, 150,000, even 793. We'll see if market orders come into play. Let me mute my mic. Give me a sec, guys. All right, guys. Let's see, 7s by 735s, 152 by 16. See, she's a little quiet right now. Give me a sec, guys. All right, guys, let's see what we have. 152 by 160. You see 152 printed 20,000 shares, just under. There's a 155 print. All right, 52 by 55. 343, more 55 prints. Just a little lackluster. It seems like people are just trying to hold her up right now. Remember, huge buyer comes in, you're going to see people start flipping up again. Keep your eyes on it. I don't think she's going under 1.5, tell you the truth. I think she's closer to the close. She's going to head higher. 735 by 7.5. You see this flip over here. That's awesome for us. You see, that's awesome for us. I just, you know, stay as close to 8 as possible. That's what I want right now before the close for HDVY. CBDL is 1.1 by 1.4 right now. You know, everything seems like a little quiet today. You know, I guess it's the holiday weekend. Last 2 days of Passover is today and tomorrow. You know, so today's like a Sabbath for a lot of people. You know, it's pretty much just lackluster volume. More volume, I'm pretty sure, is going to be on Monday after the holidays. 7.3.5 by 7.5 HDVY. They just printed 7.3. Well, not just printed, but a 7.35 print right here. You can see that. And this is on the 10-minute. Okay, so we have 15 minutes left before the market closes. And we'll see if things start heading higher before the close. I honestly think HD Access is going to try to close up. I don't even think she's going to close here. I think she's going to try to close up to 6.8 at least. You know, maybe even 8.1. Look how volatile the ask is right here. I think news is going to hit the tape soon. I really hope it hits the tape this weekend. As soon as the market closes, hit the tape. You know, anytime right now, news comes out for AXA, boom. You know, that's what I want. You know, anytime right now. I want it to be on Friday. You know, I prefer the beginning of Friday, just for a lot of people to get their eyes on it. And you know, that's it. That's what I'm looking for AXA. Get Celsa. You know, the crazy thing is, we were talking about cells earlier today for the first time, like God knows how long, and she's green for today. Still looks lackluster. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Let's go back to AXA and just wait it out. You know, it's very quiet. 346, 14 minutes left. 749's right here. You can see a lot of people are trying to see this as resistance, trying to get out, but as long as we stay here, stay above 7s, we're in great shape. Look at that. That's a 60-minute like that. That's strong. That's strong. Okay. Let's see. See, that's a bull flag also. Strong, guys. Okay. Got another 4 minutes left before this into a 10-minute interval ends. And seems like I'm actually surprised that AXA is a little quiet right now, but you know, it seems like quiet periods are the good periods for AXA. There's another print that just took place. It's a 5.2 print right there, took place. And let's see if she holds the support level. There's a 5 print, CSTI. 5 print. Pay attention. Okay. See if she holds right here. I think she's going to hold. She's going to just bounce off these levels right now. Very, very volatile at the ask right now. Okay. Keep your eyes on her. See 5255 is right there, 100,000. At 5.5s, another 100, another. Come on, bro. 150,000, maybe even 200,000. I'll take her to 1.8 right now. Yeah, so we'll see what happens right here. I honestly think there's going to be a huge influx before the close. Let's see. All right. Let's see if there's a huge influx before the close. The CBDL still 1-1s by 1-4s. We have AXA still trading 1-5s, 1-5-2s. And we're going to see how quick these guys flip up. BROE is popping up quite a few times right now. Well, you see, 10 minutes before the close, there's a lot of action for her, apparently. New highs 0.01, new highs 0.009. Okay, so 151 OTCX steps in once again. 1 minute left before this interval ends. Okay. Wouldn't be surprised right now we get a flip up on the AXA. For HDVY, I would love to see somebody print. I spoke too soon. There you go. Okay. And for HDVY, there's that flip up. But for HDVY, I would like for her to test 8 before the close. I don't think that's going to happen. But if she closes just above 7, you know, the higher she closes nearing 8s, the better it is by the close. And that's what we want for her. I mean, a close or anything over 8 is superb. But, you know, we're looking for what we can get right now. And the whole thing is, our whole goal is that HDVY stays above 7 cents flat before the close today. The higher she is, the better she is. But we want her to stay above 7 flat. 151 by 16. You can see 323 over there right now at the ask. I think there's going to be another flip up before the close. There's 10 minutes left before the market close for AXA. About to ready take 3 3s. So go ahead, go for it, man. Let me see. I'll take a look over here on her. Let's see, 3 3s. Oh, you know what? That could be a good play for TRII. I'm not gonna lie to you. Could be a good play. Podstock Millionaire could be a good play. I think I agree with that move. 735s just printed 15,000. We want her to stay here. That's fine. That's healthy for us. 5.2 by 1.6s. Okay, so you know we're just looking to see what we can get done right here. Let's see. Just waiting to see what happens, guys. I'm very, very curious. See the 150 right here. I'm telling you, she's gonna trade up before the close, guys. Take advantage. I'm telling you. The 8s would be awesome. Okay, those 8s would be awesome. 735s by 749s. There you go. See that? There you go. 749's out of the way. 75's up next. 64's, look at that, look at that, look at that. There we go. Come on, create noise! There you go. 75, 77, there you go. I want to create noise too for this stock. You think I don't, guys? I really do. Looking at the time frames. Time frames is very important. All right, remember that. Okay. Look at that, 7 sevens, and then there's 8s, right? She goes to 8s. I'm printing 8s. I'm letting you know right now. If I see 8s open, she's getting printed. All right, give you guys a heads up. 7 sevens. There you go. There you go. There it is. There's those 8s. You think I'm lying to you when I say I'm gonna print? I'm gonna try to print 8s. Okay, I'm not lying to you. Oh. Oh, I don't even need there. Oh. Didn't even need to do that. Oh, somebody else. Okay. There you go. There goes those 8s. There goes those 8s. That's what I was talking about. That's what I want. You see those 8s getting printed? There goes those 8s. There goes those 8s. Yes. Give it to me. Give me those 8s. That's right. Print them. Get them out of the way. There goes those HDVY. 8s before the close. Come on, push up. You got 6 minutes left, AXA. You break through right here. There you go. Print those 8s for me. Print those 8s. All right. I want those 8s printed. Sorry, guys. I'm just doing something in the process. Okay. All right. That's that. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Nothing. All right. And those 8s. I want those 8s printed. I want those 8s printed bad. You have no idea. I want them breakthrough. I'm waiting for a breakthrough, I'm telling you. If these break through, I'm going to print that shit. I don't give a shit. I'm telling you right now. I'm letting you know. I want those 8s broken. I want them broken bad. I want them broken bad. Okay. I'm not lying to you guys. Alright, come on, 8s, break. Let's go, 8s. Break those 8s. 5 minutes left. Break those 8s. Break those 8s. Break those 8s. There we go. 8s are breaking. 8s are trying to break before the close. Let's do this. Let's do this. 170K left. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, AXA. Start pushing up. 152. 455K at the bid. 4 minutes left. 123K left. 123 at the ask left. Come on, break those 8s. I'm going to print higher than 8s as soon as them shits are broken. There you go, another 50. Oh, you motherfucker. You piece of shit. Why would you do that? Yeah, goodbye. Try again, try again, try again. Break those 8s. Try again. Break those 8s, guys. Break those 8s. Right before the close. Make that fucking noise. 28K left. Break those 8s. Booyah. A2. That's my trade right there. A1, 911. That's me. Booyah. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Break those fucking 8s. That's the bid right there. Hold them right there. There you go. 869. There you go. Booyah, bitches. You see that? You feel that? You feel it? You feel the wrath? There you go. That's trading right there. Technical trading at its finest. HDVY. Boom. All right. 8s are holding. 8s by 865s. There we go. This is what we wanted. Congratulations to HDVY Longs. We just want her to close here. We want her to close above 8s now. Anything above 8s is good. Keep her above 8s. That's where we want her to close. And we will be awesome. All right. See, just hold her up. Hold her up. We got 3 minutes left. AXA, we would like you to go to 6/8 before the close. Get out of there as well. Let's see what happens. We're holding. Okay, so that's good for us. All right, so let's see if we can. Just doing something because I want to keep my eyes on HDVY. Yeah, don't worry about that. I don't care about you right now. Hold above 8s. There we go. 50K. There we go. Just stay above there. Oh no, we don't want that. We want her to break above 8s, right? That's what we want right now. We want her to stay above. We want her to stay above 8s right now. That's what we want, okay? We want her to do that. Okay, so Stay above 8s, guys. Let's see, just printed right now. Hopefully I get it before the close. 2 minutes left. That's me right there. 550. That's me. All right. 1.6 is being printed right now on AXA. I'd like to see a 6.8 close on AXA. 2 minutes left. All right, 823s is the ask right now. Stay above 8, guys. That's all we want her to fucking stay above 8. All right, stay above 8. That's all we want right now. Stay above 8. We're in great shape. We should boom next week. Holder, 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 holder. You know, that's all we want. We want her to hold. Okay, and we got 40 seconds left. 40 seconds left. One sixes are being printed. 8s are being printed right now at the ask. Oh, look at that. The fact that she broke it, I want her to close above it. That'd be awesome. You know, that would be extremely awesome. But we don't know if she will. It's about 15 seconds left. I don't think she will, but you know what? This was a great close. Any way you look at it. You know, we'll see if she flips up, but this was a great close, great move up. Breaks 80, you know. See, she's 4 o'clock. There you go. Great move, great move. I would have liked AXA to go to 168 by the close, but I'll take it. All right, great move. HDVY, great move. CBDL closed that 1-4. I expect her to do something better. Let's just do a rundown on some of the stocks right now excuse me, and some of you guys have been watching with us. First, we're going to do the ones that first HDVY up 42%. She looks amazing. All right, this is her 8 cent. We wanted her to break above and close above there. The fact that she broke above there for just a brief moment was awesome. All right, she closed at 7984. It's pretty much 8 cents. Highs of the day. She looks good. You know, as far as the daily, she looks strong. For the weekly, she looks fucking amazing. All right, great play. I'm happy. I'm looking forward to her next week. This could be a huge move, guys. Huge. Keep your eyes on HDVY next week on Monday. Let's take a look at AXO here. Closed at 1.6. Whoops. Closed at 1.6. I really wanted to see if she can close at 1.68. You know, it's very volatile. I'm hoping news comes out real soon. I really hope today the financials comes out, and you know, I just want it as a weekend read for everybody if it does happen. So that's AXA AXXA. Let's take a look at IDAD. Give you an idea what she looks like. This is IDAD. She simmered down quietly over here at the end. Yeah, you know, she still, you know, she doesn't look bad, but once again, you know, I'm skeptical about her move, take profits and run. If you're in it, you know, you should have took half out already and let the other half run, see what happens. Let's take a look at PTOP. Remember, she looked nasty this morning, and she's 2.5 by 2.9, closed at 2.8. She doesn't look too healthy, to tell you the truth. There could be a huge drop coming this coming Monday. Keep your eyes on PTOP. You know, news can change things if the news is positive, but right now she looks very dangerous for buyers. TTCM. See how she fared. She's trying to form a bottom here. You know, coming Monday, maybe she'll pop up, and this could be her bottom, the 364s. But she looks very dangerous. Just in general, we would have to see if she can hold these levels. Just give me a sec. Yeah, there she goes. I really think she's just gonna. I think she might crack just at the open. I don't think she's gonna hold both PTOP and TTCM. Looks dangerous headed into next week. Okay, let's take a look at just going across the list of what we were reviewing yesterday, today. you know, give you guys an update on everything. So now let's take a look at Green Zebra GZIC. She closed at pretty much the highs of the day right there, 8.5, 8.5 is by 8.9, 338K traded today, and she looks strong. Okay, this is what she looks like in that trading range. Let's take a look at HEM, because I believe HEM is once again in that trading range as well. See, she should close that 188. It looks like there's a million shares were purchased or near it. Like I said, buyers are going to hold her up. Okay, you can see that it's in this range. Keep your eyes on her. It looks like 2.2's at the ask, 1.7's at the bid. So there's definitely volume at that area as well. Let's take a look at CBDL right now. I canceled out of my bid right there, but closed up at 1.4. That's great. We're holding up. I really expected 1.7, 1.8. Didn't give it to me. The fact that it didn't give it to me, whatever. But I printed 1.4s. We have her. I made sure that she's, and I told you guys keep your eyes on her, because I'm gonna take those 1.25s and 1.3s. I didn't take 1.25s, but I took 1.3s and I printed 1.4s. Okay, so we have CBDL as well. But let's take a look at now. Let's see what we can look at. Let's take a look at BTSC. Remember, Bitcoin was down yesterday due to BTSC and BTCSD gap down. This is her weekly move right here for BTSC, and you can see it's like somewhat, this looks like a hammer, but remember, this is bullish. Okay, it's consolidating. That seems good for us. And Bitcoin's in the trading range. This is daily right here. That was the weekly. She looks like she's in the trading range, Bitcoin in general. Let's take a look. Right now trading at 53.80. So now the weekend, the market's closed. If Bitcoin decides to rally over the weekend, let's say it goes to 5,800, we can see both BTSC and I'll put BTCSD over here for both, so you can see both of them. All right. So you can see they're both pretty much down over here, and this looks a little shady, but let's see what Bitcoin does over the weekend. Right here, maybe should just pop right back up coming Monday for both of these stocks. Bitcoin looks good. It's an uptrend, slow uptrend, but yes, it peaks every, it does a dip, and it dipped yesterday. Today's trying to recover, and we have this weekend. Let's see if she can break through 55, 5,600. If she does, you'll see BTSC trading back around this level. Anything over 56, 5,700, you'll see BTS break these highs over here. And I want to say similar to hopefully BTCSD. So we'll watch those as well. Let's take a look at SODE. Okay, and this is SODE. I gave her a little nudge today, 473, just a little nudge. Very quiet, but over here it seems like she's doing something differently than everything else. This is more of a downward slope, these right here, but then when you look over here, this is more of an even slope. Okay, so maybe it's going to start bringing her up that way. Keep your eyes on SODE. I do have shares of her as well. Let's take a look at hemp. Okay, final hemp. Okay, 257 by 265. She closed at 259. Yeah, so we'll see if she follows this, right? She could either trade around this range here, within the support, and right here, trade around here. She can tick down. I think if she ticks down here, that's more correct. Okay, something like that. So we'll keep an eye on her as well moving forward. Remember, it's Friday today. The market's closed, April 26th. My name is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. Yeah, if you like the way I'm trading and you like these techniques, I definitely can educate you individuals on this. Go to the site, thetradingteacher.com. Have an upcoming course coming in the near future. Please, if you feel free to have questions, anything like that, feel free to send me out a message or give me a call or send me an email. If you see my phone's blowing up constantly, right? So best if you leave me an email. Just because I am busy. But if you leave me an email, I will get back to you. But yeah, book your course. There's only 10 seats available at any given time. If I educate you guys, it's the right way. Remember, you get 1 year support with me. So it's just not it's not the 2-week course you take with me. You're with me the whole time, and I guide you, figure out where you're lacking the discipline, and we guide you through it. Okay, so now that being said, I just want to go back to HDVY real quick and show you that this fucking monster is gonna go. Have to excite you guys. Look at the 8-3 ask. There's not, you know what? This is, I really hope she goes. I want her to go. This is why we were watching her all day. You saw at the end of the day how those 8s flipped up, right? You saw we broke through those 8s. And I even printed, what was it, 8-2 or something like that? 550 shares or something. Just to get that print. I wanted to make sure she printed above 8. I was hoping she would stay above 8, close above 8. That would have been key. But the fact what she did at the end showed me that she's strong. And the weekly looks magnificent. The daily looks good as well. So watch HDVY next week. Big play. And over here, I want to talk about, we'll talk about AXA. AXA also, news any moment, any minute, any day. She's coming. You want to keep your eyes on her. The shorts are going to get worried. And look, even though she has a red bar over here, and you can argue that that could be resistance, let me explain something to you. The downtrend is broken. She can trade choppy right here, right? She can pop up right now and pretty much trade choppy around here, pretty much trade up here, and then trade choppy until the news then go up. AXA is in great shape, but I would like the financials to be released this weekend, just because I want a lot of eyes on it going into next week. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. My name is Zelman, and I'm just going to give you another update, one last update on AMMX. She closed that, she still looks strong right here, very bullish. Don't think she's out of play. She's very strong. Watch this trend on how I played it. We'll see what happens with AMMX. I'm looking forward to next week on AXA, HDVY, AMMX.